Tired of kitchen chaos? Meet the OrganizeMee magnetic corner shelf, your savior. At 25 centimeters, it's compact yet mighty, like a superhero in disguise. No drills, no drama. Just slap it onto your fridge or washer. Done. Free up counter space faster than you can say, "Where's my olive oil?" Strong magnets. Oh, they're so strong, they could probably hold your life together. Durable alloy steel with a black matte finish. Sleek, chic, and built to last. Spices, tea, coffee syrup. This shelf organizes like a pro with zero complaints. Fits fridges, microwaves, washing machines. If it's metal, it's fair game. Small kitchen, no problem. This shelf turns tight spaces into storage goldmines. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a kitchen that sparks joy daily. Perfect for chefs, home cooks, or anyone tired of spice jar avalanches. Organize. Me, the ultimate magnetic solution for modern, efficient, clutter-free kitchens. I opened my fridge and bam! A jar of paprika hit my toe. Why? Because my spices lived in chaos, like a culinary jungle. I tried organizing them in cabinets, but they played hide and seek daily. Then, one day, I found a solution that made me feel like a genius. A sleek, magnetic corner shelf that clings to my fridge like magic. It freed up counter space, saving me from the clutter apocalypse. Now my spices sit neatly within reach, like soldiers ready for battle. It even works on my microwave and washing machine. Talk about versatility. Made of durable alloy steel, it laughs in the face of heavy jars. No drills, no drama. Just slap it on and let it do its thing. My kitchen looks organized and my toes safe from rogue spice jars. Meet the OrganizeMee magnetic corner shelf, your new kitchen superhero. Customer reviews 4.4 out of 5 stars, no one useful and effective. The racks can hold 5 kilograms of weight, I think. 2. It's heavy-duty magnetic kitchen organizer. Buy it if you have large-size refrigerator. One set has 2 of these 3 amazing products.